The stand-up pouch filling and capping machine, or spout pouch filling machine, is suitable for the filling and sealing of liquid, powder and paste with a spout stand-up pouch. Widely used in food, beverage, brewing, medicine and other fields, such as wine, soy milk, sucking jelly, milk tea, yogurt, juice, condiments, laundry detergent and other products. Filling and capping. Flowchart. Start from pouch feeding manually to automatic feeding to automatic spout pouch filling to automatic sorting and feeding caps to automatic capping, finally output ready products. Performance characteristics. 1. The spout pouch filling machine is beautiful in appearance, bright and tidy in appearance. The whole machine is made of SUS 304 stainless steel, aluminum alloy and engineering plastic, which fully meets the sanitary conditions. 2. The spout pouch filling machine adopts PLC programmable controller and man-machine interface control system, which is easy to use. 3. The spout pouch filling machine adopts gas and electricity combination, and the filling, capping and capping of the container are fully automated, achieving the purpose of energy saving and high efficiency. 4. Automatic spout pouch filling machine monitoring device, with no bag, no filling, no cover, timely alarm and other automation functions, high degree of automation. 5. When the filling amount is changed, it can be directly inputted on the touch screen, without manual adjustment of the mechanical hardware, saving the trouble of setting the cylinder stroke and the time of adjusting the machine. 6. Using submerged filling, it can prevent liquid splashing and reduce foam generation during filling. 7. The capping device can finely adjust the twist to ensure accurate tightening of each product and improve product quality. 8. The equipment high storage tank has an automatic control liquid level system, which